guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. Fall is definitely in the air. I can feel it. It is so nice outside this morning. So I wanted to share 3 of my favorite warm beverages that I've been loving right now. They are caffeine free and they are also keto friendly. So these 3 recipes that I'm sharing with you today have been my go-to in the moment. So they definitely give me fall vibes. They're great coffee alternatives. I am going to have the recipes linked down in the description box below so you can check them out there, and I'm also going to have the book that these recipes came out of linked down below as well. They are affiliate links, so if you use my link to purchase the book, I will get a small commission from the sale at no additional cost to you. It will be the same price as it is. I would just receive a small commission, and I'm truly grateful and appreciate it, you guys. It does help out my channel a lot. The 3 recipes that we are going to start with today, the first one is going to be a creamy matcha latte. The second one is going to be a bulletproof hot chocolate. And the third recipe is going to be a healing golden milk with turmeric and ginger. So without further ado, we're going to just jump into these recipes, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So let's just get into it. You're going to need some milk, some cocoa powder, some monk fruit sweetener, coconut oil, and a pinch of sea salt. I created this recipe using non-dairy milk, but you can use half and half or whole milk in its place. In a small saucepan over medium heat, we're going to whisk together the milk, the cocoa powder, the sweetener, and salt. We're going to cook and stir frequently until the mixture just begins to boil. Once it comes to a light boil, we're going to lower the heat and we're going to add in the butter or the coconut oil, and we're going to mix together until it is completely melted. This comforting bulletproof hot chocolate recipe is sugar-free, low carb, and it's packed with healthy fats, so you can still enjoy your favorite seasonal drink even while watching your carbs. Moving on to our healing golden milk, you're going to need milk, turmeric, ground ginger, coconut oil, black pepper, and some cinnamon. In a saucepan, you're going to combine the milk, the turmeric, the ginger, the cinnamon, coconut oil, and the honey if you're using any over medium heat, and you're going to whisk to combine. This healing golden milk is especially comforting on a cold fall day. The turmeric and the ginger and the cinnamon are a classic combination, and they provide a warming flavor. We're going to get started with our creamy matcha latte. You're going to need milk, collagen, matcha, coconut butter, coconut oil, cinnamon, and honey. You're going to place the matcha powder in a small bowl and pour in hot filtered water. Using a bamboo whisk, you're going to get this mixture well combined until no visible clumps. Meanwhile, you want to heat the coconut in a saucepan over medium heat until it comes to a light simmer. Once simmering, you're going to remove it from the heat and stir in the matcha mixture. This creamy matcha latte is perfect as a coffee replacement. It is packed with natural energy from the matcha powder and healthy fats to keep you fueled. It's a great way to jumpstart your day. It's full of antioxidants, which is thought to help reduce inflammation, and it's also rich in fiber and chlorophyll as well as other vitamins. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope that you give these recipes a try. I've already been sipping on the hot chocolate one. So it's not really sweet because these are keto friendly and they are healthy fall drinks. So they're not overbearingly sweet, but they are that warm, cozy fall mug of goodness that you need. And it's just like a little treat. It's not gonna be sweet, you guys, like a regular hot chocolate, but it's something nice to cozy up with. And I feel like it really helps. It helps me get through the holiday seasons when I'm missing having those traditional hot drinks, hot beverages. This is my go-to. So these are my 3 healthy fall drinks. Hopefully you guys give them a try. Let me know what you think about them down in the comment section below. And keep in mind, they're not really gonna be sweet, okay? I don't want you to make them and then think they're not sweet, because these are keto, healthy fall beverages. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one.